Hello, my name's Hannah Senior from PBS International, and while we're in lockdown all over the world, we thought we'd take this opportunity to share a little of the plant life right here in the UK with our customers who are seed producers and plant breeders all over the world. And I came into the factory this morning, and the first thing I noticed when I got out of my car is these little beauties growing in the car park. They're called the pyramidal orchid, Anacamptis pyramidalis, and they are native to Western Europe, growing from the UK right the way across to Iran. They're pollinated by butterflies and moths. They flower at this time of year, which is late June sort of through to July. And fun fact, apparently the tubers, if you dry them out and grind them, make a starchy sweet powder, which in Turkey is used for making ice cream. But is also more widely, traditionally, has been used as a bit of a tonic for, recovering from illness and whatnot. So there you go. Plant life for the day.